Hey guys, welcome back to the weather statement. Today I'm talking about the severe weather potential, and the severe weather potential is highest today in Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Arkansas is the highest potential for severe weather. So, and then the second highest is the slight chance. The slight chance goes from Minnesota through Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, parts of Tennessee, all the way to the other side to Kansas, up to Iowa, and then back to Minnesota. So you guys have to be careful for severe weather. And also, there's this area in the Northeast that we are expecting some not as intense severe weather, but still you have to be careful for some gusty winds and some hail and pretty heavy rain. So let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about is the tornado potential. The tornado potential is 2%. So it's not the highest percentage of tornado that you could get, but it's decent. You could possibly see a few spin ups, and there's two spots that I'm looking at. It's in Iowa, this close to Des Moines, and then from Missouri, parts a little bit of Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. We're looking at for some possible spin ups in there. So be careful. It's not a huge chance of spin ups, but just be careful because you never know. You might find it might start the atmosphere might start spinning and you might have to go in your basement. So just keep yourself updated, and now let's look at our hail potential for today. So on this hail potential, we have, as we saw today, the highest chance is right in this area for severe weather, and the highest chance for hail is in that same area. So that you could get some pretty nice sized hail. So put your vehicles inside. They might get you could have some damaged vehicles, some damage to trees. So just be careful out there. Don't drive in these conditions, and just try to avoid it with all costs. To don't drive in it at all, or and the slight chance goes from Minnesota all the way around through here. So you could still have pretty nice sized hail all the way through this yellow shaded area. So you don't have to be in the bullseye to get large hail. You can get some large hail in through the yellow area. So just be careful for the large hail that we're expecting. Moving on to wind potential. The wind potential is looking a little bit the same, like the bullseye is exactly the same as all the rest of the enhanced risk of severe weather. But yeah, you're gonna get some nasty winds, big winds. You can get pretty nasty winds all through this whole area, including the Northeast, which we have an area that we are going to get some. You could get some pretty nasty winds over here too. Like I've said before, it doesn't have to be in the bullseye to get large hail or nasty winds. Really, you can get, it's mostly nasty winds, but you can get some pretty big wind gusts really anywhere in this area. So just keep updated with your local forecasts and your local weather stations. Make sure to have your weather on where you get your local weather, and keep updated with me. I'll keep you updated with severe weather coming up soon. And now let's go look at the precipitation amounts coming up. So this is the 24-hour precipitation amounts. So the most precipitation we're expecting is right in Arkansas. We're expecting around possibly 3 inches. So you have to be careful. We don't drive in any flooded roadways. Turn around, don't drown, and just be careful. Locally, you could have some flooding around there, and right over here, right in um, parts of Illinois, you could have close to an inch, and then like parts of Iowa, half an inch. But this other area in the Northeast and mostly in New York, you could have about inch and a half, maybe more, closer than 2 inches. But just be careful and don't drive in any flooded roadways. Be careful of flooding and just stay safe. And come back for more videos. I will have more videos posting every week. So come back for more videos and stay safe out there. And see you on a next video.